a small village. There are many houses in our village. The houses are close together. There are small lanes between the houses. There are many plants and trees around the houses. Daji Kaka is our neighbor. He keeps cows and buffaloes. He milks them every day. We buy milk from him. It's nice and fresh and warm. Bye bye.
असेच आमचे नवीन व्हिडिओ बघण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि हो आमच्या व्हिडिओला लाईक आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका. बाय बाय.